I just sneezed so hard I swear my heart stopped for a second. Am I dying?
Whoa, deep breath. Literally, take a deep breath. You're fine.
I felt it. 1 second my heart was going, then nothing, then it slammed back like, oh right, I have a job.
Okay, I'm not going to lie to you, something real did just happen in your chest. Just not what you think.
So my heart did stop. I'm telling everyone I basically died just now.
Nope. Here's my terrible first guess. Maybe your heart just got startled, like a cat hearing a vacuum.
That actually makes sense to me.
It's completely wrong. Hearts don't get startled. But the real reason is way cooler.
Cooler than my heart taking a nap mid-sneeze?
When you sneeze, you take a huge breath in, then your chest muscles slam shut and squeeze super hard before the air blasts out.
Okay, that part one noticed. It's basically an explosion.
It kind of is. That squeeze jacks up the pressure inside your chest, way higher than normal, for like half a second.
And that pressure does what to my heart?
That pressure briefly squishes the big veins bringing blood back to your heart, so less blood shows up for one beat.
So my heart's just sitting there like, where's my delivery?
Exactly. And your body's nerves notice the pressure spike too, so they tell your heart to pause its rhythm for a split second to reset.
A split-second pause on purpose? Who approved this?
Your own nervous system, actually. Then the pressure releases, blood rushes back in, and your heart fires off an extra strong beat to catch up.
That's the slam. That's the, oh right, I have a job, beat.
Yep, that thump you feel isn't your heart restarting. It's your heart catching up on one skipped delivery.
So it's basically a heartbeat hiccup, not a heart attack.
Precisely. It's so normal that doctors have a name for it. It happens with coughing and laughing hard too, not just sneezing.
Wait, so I've been briefly dying every time I laugh at my own jokes?
No, you've been completely fine every single time. Your heart's just really good at hitting refresh.
Okay, new plan. I'm never laughing, sneezing, or coughing again. I'm just going to sit very still forever.
Good luck with that.
I just sneezed again. Am I dying?
No.